Hello, so welcome back to my channel. I'm Laura. If you're new, welcome, and today we're gonna check out what I got in my February Tribe Beauty box. It's a subscription box containing 6 products, and it always contains indie brands. So let's dig in. This time they gave us paper with the value of everything, so I can share with you. First thing first, came with this gorgeous holographic makeup bag. It has the Tribe Beauty on it. I love this. I love this. This is such a stunning bag, and its retail price is $19.99. I will leave all the info about the box is going to be on my blog with also link to it, and I leave my blog link down below, so check it out. If you have any questions, leave them on my blog because I'm always there. First thing is a little palette. It's the Wondrous Fling palette by Wonder Beauty. I have never tried the brand. I did swatch these shadows already. I have been inside of it. Oh, I have to. Oh gosh, I should have opened it first. But it comes in a cardboard packaging. It looks super springy and pretty. And it has a little mirror, closes magnetically, and I believe there is only one matte and others are some type of a shimmer. The matte obviously is my favorite, and it's like the perfect kind of crease color for me. I swatched it here, and I'll swatch another 2 shades more that seem like really unique for me. There, the formula of it is really interesting. I don't usually have lots of indie makeup brands, but I have to say I really like it. I like the formula and I can't really wait to use it, but I feel with this kind of palette I would need something else which has more mattes, because I'm a matte kind of person. I love matte, so excited to play with that. Next item is from Iconic Beauty LA. It's Blur Stick or Glow Stick. Retails for $15. I don't know if this is my jam. I am going to put it in an upcoming giveaway, so one of you can enjoy it, because I'm not a big fan of, well, I love cream products obviously, but I have so much and they go bad, and I do not want good things to go bad, and this seems promising. It's filled with jojoba oil. Use this stick on your face or your body to restore your natural glow. This is an amazing product to enhance your natural highlight. Next, I have from LUXIE Beauty 2 little brushes. They are eye brushes 111 and 237. And one is a blending brush and mini flat angle. This is the mini flat angle. I have never tried their brushes, but they are to the Dutch soft, and I'm always happy to have new makeup brushes. So this is nice to blend out the little edges. Super happy with this, and these are retail for $24. Next we have from Earth Harbor Phyto Resurfacing Night Serum, a rich feather light serum featuring seaweed, collagen, tropical superfruit acid and botanical multivitamins that retexturize skin to reveal more radiant looking complexion, all while you enjoy your previous beauty sleep. So this is something to use at nighttime. I like they really well packaged it, but it retails for $54. I mean, if it's $54, I would like it to have something around it, not like, oh, here you have, here we go, the bottle. I mean, $54 is a lot of money. I mean, if I buy something for 50 euros, I assume nice packaging outside. I mean, it looks clean, nice, comes in a glass bottle, love that, but like outside something, no. Then next we have something from THEBALM, and this is Read My Lips. This is a lip gloss, and the shade is Sap, and it retails for $15. Let me open it up for you guys, and this is how it looks. I have glosses like a brighter color, so this one I will put in an upcoming giveaway. I haven't swatched it, haven't opened it except from this box, so someone, when I have a nice box of products, I will do another giveaway. And last is from Cerulean, and this is a lash serum. I have not tried, but I love the packaging. Never tried the brand before, and let me show you guys. So this is how it comes in. I already have a really nice lash serum that is also my brows that I like, so I will also add this to upcoming giveaway, so one of you guys can enjoy it. And I usually hold my giveaways on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram. If you don't, I leave my handle here, and it also is always in the subscription box. So yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!